Today, I would like to discuss a February 12th, 2026 article from the Journal of Commerce titled, "The Rapid Pace of AI Development Urges Shippers to Be Patient." The article explores how fast AI is evolving and why, for cargo owners, waiting may actually be a smart strategy. Should shippers wait? At the recent Supply Chain Technology Conference, Manifest in Las Vegas, AI was once again the central theme. Around the world, shippers and logistics service providers, or LSPs, are asking the same question. Should we commit fully to AI now, or should we observe how the technology matures? The Journal of Commerce offers a clear suggestion. Shippers may benefit from patience when it comes to bleeding-edge AI adoption. There are three main reasons. First, the development cycle has become extremely short. Competition among leading AI developers such as OpenAI and Anthropic has dramatically accelerated innovation. What is cutting edge today can become outdated in just a few months. In this environment, the traditional first-mover advantage is less certain. A company that invests heavily now may be leapfrogged by competitors who adopt a cheaper and more powerful solution shortly afterward. Second, shippers and logistics providers have different roles and incentives. For logistics companies, AI directly improves operational efficiency and cost control. Their margins depend on process optimization, so the motivation to invest is strong. Even with risk, the potential return is clear. Shippers, however, must prioritize many areas beyond logistics, including product development and marketing. Large AI investments in logistics systems may not always be the best use of capital. Their strategic focus is broader, and risk tolerance may differ. Third, a balanced strategy makes sense. Stay informed, but control spending. The article suggests that shippers should keep their antenna high for new information while keeping their wallet tight. In other words, monitor developments closely, conduct small pilot tests if needed, but avoid major system overhauls based on rapidly changing AI technologies. Instead, logistics providers can take on the burden of experimentation and implementation. Shippers can then benefit from AI-enabled services through outsourcing. This approach reduces risk while still capturing value. Looking ahead, AI agents are likely to become a key differentiator among logistics companies. These are not simple chatbots, but systems capable of handling bookings, documentation, compliance checks, and exception management with minimal human input. Forwarders that successfully deploy such AI tools will gain a competitive edge. For shippers, the key question may shift from which AI system should we build to which logistics partner already has strong AI capabilities. This does not mean ignoring AI altogether. Proactive learning and limited trials remain important. However, large-scale AI-driven transformations of core systems may be premature while technology continues to evolve at high speed. In today's environment, waiting is not weakness. It can be a deliberate and rational strategy. Allowing logistics partners to test, refine, and implement AI solutions before committing significant resources may prove to be the wiser path in 2026. When innovation moves this fast, patience itself becomes a competitive advantage. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Here